we purchased a Lazy Boy 3-seater power recliner and power head tilt together with a armchair power recliner and power head tilt. Within a few weeks we had to have the company come out and have a look at the head tilt mechanism because it was making a boinging noise. They rectified that, but within a few days a creak developed on the left hand side of the chair as you got off the chair and onto the chair. We notified the company again. They sent a technician out who took the back of the chair off and sorted it out. No creaking. But within about 24 hours of that, I was sat on the chair and I noticed that when I moved in the reclined position, you can hear the creaking. If you go to get something, it creaks quite badly. We've notified the company and they are sending a separate, via Lazy Boy now, they are sending a separate company out or technician out to have a look at this and see what the problem is. This is premium furniture and we've had it less than sort of 6 months and we're getting problems with it. The settee is absolutely fine, operates perfectly, no noises, but very disappointing. So I'll keep everybody updated. Thanks for watching.